Imagine it's a warm, restless night on June 7, 2025, and you're standing on a jagged cliff overlooking the Pacific Ocean near San Diego, California. The salty breeze brushing your face, the waves crashing far below like a distant heartbeat, the stars above so sharp they seem to cut through the darkness. But something feels wrong, the air heavy with a low, pulsing hum that vibrates in your chest, not from the sea, not from the sky, but from everywhere, making your heart pound like it knows something you don't. And as you scan the horizon, your eyes catch a flicker, a glowing orb, hovering over the water, not a drone, not a plane, but something alive, shifting shapes like liquid light, twisting into spirals, then squares, then something you can't even describe, and it feels like it's watching you, knowing your name. Welcome to 3i Atlas, the mysterious cosmic stranger, where we're diving into a mystery that's unfolding right now. So fresh it's barely hit the headlines, so strange. It might make you question everything you thought you knew about the world, the stars, and what's out there. So buckle up, because this story is going to grab you, pull you in, and not let go until you're staring at the sky, wondering what's really watching us. It all started 4 months ago, on that warm June night in 2025, when a group of surfers, out late celebrating a friend's birthday, spotted something impossible off the San Diego coast. A light that wasn't just a light, but a presence, glowing with colors they couldn't name, blue, then red, then a silver so bright it hurt to look at, moving in ways that broke every rule of physics, darting left, then stopping dead, then spiraling upward like it was dancing with the stars. And Mia Torres, a 24-year-old surfer and amateur photographer, pulled out her phone, hands shaking, and recorded it, capturing 3 minutes of footage that would change everything. Mia described it as a living light, not just glowing but pulsing, like it had a heartbeat, shifting from a sphere to a spiral, then a cube, then something that looked like a star made of liquid metal. And for a moment, she swore she felt a voice in her head, not speaking words but planting a thought. "We are 3i Atlas. We see you. Be still." The group stood frozen, some too scared to move, others whispering prayers, until the object plunged into the ocean, leaving no splash, no sound, just a faint afterimage in the sky, a symbol of 3 interlocking circles, each crossed with strange, jagged lines, like a cosmic signature burned into the night. Mia posted the video on X at 2 a.m., expecting a few likes from her friends, but by sunrise it had exploded, racking up millions of views, thousands of comments, and hashtags like #3iAtlas and #CosmicStranger trending worldwide. But within 48 hours, her account was locked, her phone started glitching, and she got a cryptic email warning her to stop sharing or face consequences. But Mia wasn't alone that night. A fisherman, Carlos Reyes, was out on his boat a mile offshore when his radar went haywire, his radio spitting static mixed with what sounded like a chant, not in any language he knew, and his engine stalled at exactly 11:11 p.m., the same moment Mia's video began. And when he looked up, he saw the same glowing shape, hovering, watching, before it dove into the sea. And when his boat finally restarted, the clock was stuck at 11:11, like time itself had frozen. By morning, San Diego was buzzing, locals swapping stories at coffee shops, on beaches, in group chats, and a local astronomer, Dr. Liam Chen, came forward with his own evidence, having detected a 111-second signal on his radio telescope at the university, a pattern of pulses and tones that didn't match any satellite, star, or human-made source. A signal so complex it seemed to carry meaning, like a message waiting to be cracked, and when he shared his findings on X, users started calling it the 3i Atlas signal, linking it to Mia's video and that eerie symbol. But things took a darker turn when unmarked helicopters were spotted circling the coast the next day, and men in dark suits, not military, not police, showed up at the marina, questioning Carlos, demanding Mia's friends hand over their phones, and telling locals it was just a military test gone wrong. But nobody bought it, especially when a barista overheard one of the men mention 3i Atlas containment protocol before he climbed up. The story didn't stay in San Diego. Posts on X started pouring in from around the world, all dated after May 2025, describing similar sightings, and the pattern was chilling. In South Africa, a pilot flying over Cape Town on June 10 reported a shape-shifting light that tailed his plane for 11 minutes before vanishing, leaving his instruments scrambled. In Greenland, A hiker found the three-circle symbol etched into a melting glacier on June 15th, dated with scratches that read, 2025. In Japan, a late-night radio station in Osaka picked up a signal on June 20th, a faint voice whispering, "Atlas! Atlas!" before the broadcast cut out, and listeners reported feeling dizzy, like something was pulling at their thoughts. By July, the internet was on fire with theories. Some said 3i Atlas was an alien scout, others a secret government drone, others something older, something that's been here longer than us. And then a bombshell dropped. A leaked memo, allegedly from a UN science panel, surfaced on a dark web forum on July 15th, 2025, stamped, "Classified 3i Atlas incident," describing a non-terrestrial phenomenon involving objects that defy physics, detected in multiple locations, with a warning to governments to monitor the oceans, especially the Pacific, and avoid direct engagement at all costs. The memo mentioned a signal, the same 111-second pulse Dr. Chin recorded, but stronger now, carrying coordinates pointing to the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, a deep-sea trench in the Pacific so remote it's barely explored. And when a research vessel sent a drone to investigate in August 2025, they found something, a metallic fragment, no bigger than a dinner plate, lying on the ocean floor at 10,000 feet, etched with the three-circle symbol, glowing faintly under the drone's lights. The team brought it to the surface, but their equipment started failing, cameras glitching, sensors shorting out, and the lead scientist, Dr. Aisha Khan, reported feeling a pressure in her mind, like something was trying to speak, and when they locked the fragment in a secure lab in San Diego, it vanished overnight. No signs of a break-in, no trace on security cameras, just gone. Dr. Khan posted about it on X, but her account was deleted within hours, and her colleagues stopped answering calls. The story didn't end there. Amateur astronomers started noticing star patterns shifting slightly on June nights, forming shapes that matched the three-circle symbol when viewed through high-powered telescopes, and conspiracy theorists on X claimed the signal was a beacon, activating every few months, drawing something closer, while others said it's already here, hidden in plain sight, watching us. In September 2025, just weeks ago, a diver off Hawaii found another fragment, identical to the one in San Diego, and this time, it was recorded emitting a faint hum, the same 111-second pulse, before it too disappeared, and the diver, a young woman named Kyla, said she dreamed of the symbol every night since, waking up with the words, "Atlas waits," in her head. What is 3i Atlas? A cosmic stranger, signaling us with lights and symbols, leaving clues we're too afraid to follow? A secret project, buried by governments who know more than they're saying? Or something beyond our comprehension, a presence that's been here all along, waiting for the right moment? The sightings keep coming. Last week, a trucker in Oregon saw the lights again, a hiker in Peru found the symbol carved into a cliff, and a radio signal in Iceland carried that same chilling whisper. Atlas. Atlas. Every time we get close, the evidence slips away, accounts get deleted, people go quiet, but the pattern is undeniable, and it's growing, pulsing, watching. Look up tonight, when the stars are bright, and listen, do you hear that hum? Do you feel that chill? What's out there, and why does it know us? Drop your thoughts in the comments, share this video, tell your friends, and subscribe, because 3i Atlas isn't just a story, it's a warning, and we're going to keep chasing it, no matter what's watching back.